Gutiri odono mo gutigithukania ta mwena wa mung'ethaniro nginyagia tuhutia karurigi hindi ya githurano gia 2027. Uyu niguo mwihitwa wa atongoria mung'ethaniro hindi ya kigomano kia AJUMBE akiama kia PLP magikindira KARUA ta murirukia wa federa wa kiama giki hindi ya githurano kia mwaka wa 2027.
We will not only contest an election, we will reclaim our republic. We will take our country back. We will sit down and produce one candidate.
Atongoria mung'ethaniro aciama itiganite matongoretio ni Rigathi Gachagua wa DCP, Kalonzo Musyoka wa Wiper, Eugene Wamalwa wa DAP-K, JB Muturi wa DP gatagataine kangi nimeraniria gutiri umwe wao kweherera wiguano-ini uyu wa gukana munyaruto utongoria-ini.
And I and my supporters are ready to support anybody whom we agree is the one to face William Ruto. And I would do it very happily.
We are the government in waiting. Wangapi wanakubali hiyo? Yani tunaunda serikali. Tunaiunda bila wasiwasi, bila uoga.
We are united and we don't want to be told by William Ruto ati ajenda ni gani. And I like what my brother Rigiji says. Hakuna haja ati tukuambia ati iko hii ni manifesto. No. The first thing, one term.
Moigete ni moi mwena wa thirikari ni ubangite uria ungimamukania no makehita karotho wa mbiri njamba ino ni thatu amu matigwitikira kwa mukanio.
William Ruto knows his goose is cooked. He knows joint opposition will send him home by 10 a.m. and he has embarked on a very serious scheme to divide the opposition. You'll see the next several days the kind of schemes he is having, creating confusion in the opposition, buying people, dividing others.
Kenya will be more important than our personal ambitions. This team gathered here today has made that decision, that we will bear any price, any burden, make any sacrifice to make this a reality and to make William Ruto a one-term president.
Mukiona mmoja wetu akiteleza, huyo atakuwa nani? Msaliti.
Nigi no mokereire thirikari na kuga President William Ruto ni aremetwo ni wira wake makeria hari ukinyaniria wa ihoto cia umundo na guthingatithia kurumiriro gwa gatiba.
The incumbent regime has chosen corruption over integrity. They have chosen impunity over justice and propaganda over service.
This place, State House, is supposed to be a seat of power, isn't it? Now it has become a campaign headquarters for William Ruto and is blood-based something? Blood-based government.
Mutongoria wa PLP KARUA niraniria ati angigacagurwo ta president ni agatigirira urumiriri wa gatiba ni wacokereria na ndakenda kuheo matena mere mawathani kuona ni akarikia wira wake na itina rimwe.
In my presidency, the corrupt will face justice. No matter their rank, tribe or political connection, impunity will end.
Thutha wa gikaro giki batoni ya mung'ethaniro romanirire na kampeini kaunti-ini ya Kiambu guku nakuo makioya mweke wa kwarĩrĩria maundu ma kwendia kioneki kiao.
Mutakubali wirubaru no atuhenirie ria keri ni atuhenire kana atuhenirie ni muito kati muito.
Hadina Kameme TV retoro kwa ni Bataru wa Mwangi.